How to grow a Bigo account from zero. What if I told you that right now? Someone is going live on Bigo Live with 0 followers, and within 30 days, they'll have thousands of engaged fans sending virtual gifts worth real money. Meanwhile, another creator with the exact same setup will struggle to get even 10 viewers after months of effort. The difference isn't luck, equipment, or even talent, it's strategy. Welcome to this Duel of Concepts deep dive, where we'll dissect the exact blueprint that separates successful Bigo Live creators from those who fade into digital obscurity. Whether you're completely new to live streaming, or you've been spinning your wheels with minimal growth, we're about to reveal the systematic approach that transforms ordinary people into Bigo Live success stories. Understanding Bigo Live's ecosystem, the foundation of success. Before diving into tactics, you need to understand what makes Bigo Live different from other platforms. Bigo Live isn't just another social media platform. It's a live streaming ecosystem built around real-time interaction, virtual gifting, and community building. Unlike pre-recorded content platforms, success on Bigo Live depends entirely on your ability to create engaging live experiences that keep viewers watching and participating. The platform's algorithm prioritizes active streams with high engagement rates, meaning the more people interact with your content through comments, GIFs, and shares, the more Bigo Live will promote your stream to new viewers. This creates a snowball effect where early success compounds into larger audiences, but it also means that weak initial performance can trap you in obscurity. Understanding the virtual gift economy is crucial for long-term success. Viewers purchase virtual gifts with real money and send them to creators they enjoy watching. These gifts convert into diamonds, which creators can exchange for actual cash. This isn't just a vanity metric, it's a direct revenue stream that makes Bigo Live a viable career path for successful creators. Most importantly, Bigo Live rewards consistency and authenticity. The platform's users can quickly identify creators who are genuinely passionate about their content versus those who are just going through the motions. Building a sustainable Bigo Live presence requires finding the intersection between what you enjoy doing and what audiences want to watch. Step-by-step account setup. Building your foundation. Your Bigo Live journey begins with strategic account setup that positions you for growth from day one. Start by choosing a username that's memorable, easy to spell, and reflects your intended niche. Avoid numbers and special characters that make you harder to find. Your username is your brand identity on the platform, so choose wisely. Changing it later can confuse existing followers. Profile optimization is where many new creators make critical mistakes. Your profile picture should be a clear, high-quality image of your face with good lighting and a genuine smile. Bigo Live is built on personal connection, so faceless profiles or low-quality images immediately put you at a disadvantage. Your cover photo should hint at your content style while maintaining visual appeal. Write a compelling bio that quickly communicates who you are and what viewers can expect from your streams. Use relevant keywords that help people discover your content, but avoid keyword stuffing that makes your bio sound robotic. Include your streaming schedule if you have one, and consider adding a call to action that encourages profile visitors to follow you. Verify your account as soon as possible by completing Bigo Live's verification process. Verified accounts receive priority in search results and appear more trustworthy to potential followers. Configure your privacy and notification settings to balance accessibility with personal comfort. Preparing for your first streams. Setting yourself up to succeed. Your first few streams are disproportionately important for long-term success on Bigo Live. The platform's algorithm pays close attention to new creator performance, so preparing thoroughly for these initial broadcasts can determine your trajectory on the platform. Technical preparation starts with ensuring reliable internet connectivity. Live streaming requires consistent upload speeds of at least 3 to 5 megabits per second for decent quality, but aim for 10+ Mbps if possible. Test your connection at different times of day to understand when you'll have the most stable performance. Audio quality is even more critical than video quality on live streaming platforms. Viewers will tolerate pixelated video, but poor audio drives people away immediately. Use headphones with built-in microphones or invest in a dedicated USB microphone. Test your audio levels before going live and speak clearly and at consistent volume levels. Plan your first stream content carefully, but maintain flexibility for organic interactions. Prepare 3 to 5 conversation topics you can discuss if the chat becomes quiet, but avoid rigid scripts that prevent natural audience engagement. Have a clear introduction ready that explains who you are and what viewers can expect from your channel. Practice using Bigo Live's features before going live. Familiarize yourself with gift acknowledgements, comment reading, and stream settings. Nothing kills momentum like struggling with basic platform functions during your broadcast. Initial content ideas. What to stream when starting out. New creators often struggle with content ideas because they overthink complexity instead of focusing on engagement. Your early streams should prioritize interaction over production value. Building relationships with viewers rather than trying to create viral moments. Just chatting streams work exceptionally well for new creators because they require no special skills or equipment while allowing maximum interaction with viewers. Share interesting stories from your life, discuss current events, or simply talk about your day while encouraging audience participation through questions and comments. Talent showcase streams can quickly establish your unique value proposition if you have specific skills. Whether it's singing, drawing, cooking, gaming, or any other ability, demonstrating talent gives viewers a concrete reason to follow your channel. However, don't feel pressured to be extraordinarily skilled. Authenticity and personality often matter more than technical perfection. Educational content performs well on Bigo Live because it provides clear value to viewers. Teach something you know well, whether it's a language, professional skill, hobby, technique, or life advice. Educational streams naturally encourage questions and comments, boosting your engagement metrics. Interactive games and challenges create natural engagement opportunities. Simple games like 20 questions, trivia contests, or creative challenges encourage viewer participation and can extend stream duration organically. Finding your niche. Carving out your space. Niche selection makes the difference between struggling for general attention and becoming the go-to creator for specific audiences. Your niche should sit at the intersection of your passions, skills, and market demand on Bigo Live. Start by analyzing your natural interests and abilities. What topics can you discuss for hours without getting bored? What skills do you possess that others might want to learn? What aspects of your personality or life experience make you unique? Your niche should feel authentic rather than forced, because maintaining consistency over months or years requires genuine passion. Research existing successful creators in potential niches to understand market saturation and opportunity gaps. Look for niches with engaged audiences but room for new voices. Avoid oversaturated categories where you'd compete directly with established creators, but also avoid niches so narrow that audience growth becomes impossible. Test different niche directions through your early streams and pay attention to audience response. Which topics generate the most engagement? What content types keep viewers watching longest? Let organic audience feedback guide your niche selection rather than forcing predetermined directions. Develop signature content formats that become associated with your channel. Whether it's weekly advice sessions, daily language lessons, cooking tutorials, or gaming challenges, having recognizable content series helps viewers know what to expect and when to tune in. Early networking strategies. Building your Bigo Live community. Networking on Bigo Live extends far beyond simply following other creators. It's about building genuine relationships that create mutual growth opportunities and lasting friendships within the creator community. Start by identifying creators in your niche or complementary niches who are slightly ahead of you in follower count. These creators are most likely to engage meaningfully with your content because you're not so far behind that you seem irrelevant, nor so far ahead that they see you as competition. Participate actively in other creators' live streams before expecting them to support yours. Become a recognizable, positive presence in their communities. Many successful creator relationships begin with one person being a loyal, engaging viewer of another's content. Create value for other creators through collaboration rather than simply asking for promotion. Offer to appear on their streams as a guest. Suggest joint content ideas that benefit both audiences, or provide assistance with their projects. Approaching networking with a "what can I give" mindset rather than "what can I get" builds stronger, more sustainable relationships. Engage meaningfully with your early followers and viewers. Remember regular viewers' names, acknowledge their contributions to your streams, and show genuine appreciation for their support. These early supporters often become your most valuable advocates, promoting your content organically to their own networks. Content planning and consistency. Building momentum. Successful Bigo Live creators treat their streaming like a business, which means planning content strategically rather than hoping inspiration strikes during live broadcasts. Establish a realistic streaming schedule that you can maintain consistently. Consistency builds audience expectations and helps viewers know when to find you live. However, be honest about your availability rather than creating unsustainable schedules that lead to frequent cancellations. It's better to stream 3 times per week consistently than to promise daily streams you can't deliver. Create a content calendar that balances different stream types throughout the week. Mix educational content, entertainment streams, interactive sessions, and personal sharing to keep your channel interesting for diverse viewer preferences. Prepare backup content for every stream to avoid dead air or awkward silence. Have lists of questions you can ask viewers, topics you can discuss solo, or activities you can do if engagement drops. Preparation prevents panic when streams don't go as planned. Track your content performance to understand what resonates with your audience. Note which stream topics generate the most engagement, what time slots perform best, and which content types convert casual viewers into followers. Engaging your first followers. Turning viewers into community. Your first followers are your most valuable asset on Bigo Live, because they provide the foundation for organic growth and algorithmic promotion. Treating these early supporters well creates a positive community culture that attracts additional viewers and encourages long-term loyalty. Learn and use your regular viewers' names during streams. Personal recognition makes viewers feel valued and increases their likelihood of returning and engaging with future content. Respond to every comment when your viewer count is low, even if responses are brief acknowledgments. Early followers need to feel heard and appreciated, especially when they're supporting a smaller creator. Acknowledge gift givers immediately and genuinely. Whether someone sends a small virtual flower or an expensive gift, express authentic appreciation for their support. However, avoid being overly focused on gifts to the point where non-gifting viewers feel ignored or less valued. Create opportunities for viewers to contribute meaningfully to your streams. Ask for their opinions on topics, request suggestions for future content, or invite them to share their own experiences related to your stream topics. Monetization Fundamentals. Turning passion into profit. Understanding Bigo Live's monetization ecosystem helps you build sustainable income streams while maintaining authentic relationships with your audience. Successful monetization requires balancing revenue generation with community building. Master the virtual gift system by understanding different gift values and creating natural opportunities for viewers to show support. Express genuine gratitude for all gifts regardless of value, and consider creating special acknowledgments or content for supporters without making non-gifters feel excluded. Develop multiple revenue streams beyond virtual gifts to create income stability. Consider offering private lessons, consulting services, merchandise, or exclusive content that leverages your Bigo Live audience while providing additional value. Set realistic income goals based on your audience size and engagement levels rather than comparing yourself to top-tier creators. Sustainable growth comes from consistent improvement rather than unrealistic expectations that lead to disappointment and burnout. Avoiding common beginner mistakes, learning from others' failures. New Bigo Live creators often repeat predictable mistakes that slow their growth and frustrate their early experiences. Learning from these common pitfalls helps you avoid unnecessary setbacks. Avoid inconsistent streaming schedules that confuse potential followers about when to find your content. Viewers need predictability to build watching habits. So irregular scheduling prevents audience development even when individual streams are high quality. Don't neglect audio quality in favor of visual improvements. Poor audio drives viewers away faster than any other technical issue, yet many new creators focus exclusively on camera upgrades while using terrible microphones. Resist the temptation to copy successful creators exactly, rather than developing your unique voice. While studying successful creators provides valuable insights, direct copying rarely works because audience connections are built on authenticity rather than imitation. Don't ignore platform community guidelines or terms of service, even if enforcement seems inconsistent. Violations can result in account restrictions or bans that devastate months of growth effort. Resist burnout by maintaining realistic expectations about growth timelines and success metrics. Building a successful Bigo Live presence takes months or years, not weeks. Measuring success and setting goals, tracking your progress. Effective goal setting and progress tracking keep you motivated during slow growth periods, while helping you identify what's working in your Bigo Live strategy. Track engagement rates rather than just follower accounts to understand your true audience connection. High engagement with smaller audiences often leads to better long-term success than low engagement with larger audiences. Monitor comments per viewer, gift frequency, and stream duration as key engagement indicators. Set process goals alongside outcome goals to maintain control over your success factors. While you can't directly control follower growth or gift income, you can control streaming consistency, content quality, and audience engagement effort. Document what works through detailed notes about successful streams, content types, and engagement strategies. Success often comes from replicating effective approaches rather than constantly trying new tactics. Celebrate small wins to maintain motivation during inevitable challenging periods. Acknowledge new personal bests in viewership, engagement, or revenue, even if they seem modest compared to your ultimate goals. Conclusion: your Bigo Live journey starts now. Growing a successful Bigo Live account from zero requires strategy, consistency, and authentic passion for connecting with audiences through live streaming. The creators who succeed long-term are those who view their channels as businesses worth investing time and effort into, while never losing sight of the human connections that make live streaming magical. Remember that every successful Bigo Live creator started with 0 followers, technical challenges, and uncertainty about their content direction. The difference between those who succeeded and those who gave up wasn't talent, luck, or resources. It was persistence, adaptability, and commitment to providing value to their audiences even when growth felt impossibly slow. Your Bigo Live journey is just beginning, but armed with these strategies and insights, you're positioned to avoid common pitfalls, while accelerating your growth through proven techniques. The platform offers incredible opportunities for creators who approach it strategically and authentically, balancing business thinking with genuine community building. Success won't happen overnight, but it will happen if you consistently apply these principles while staying true to your unique voice and perspective. Every stream is an opportunity to improve. Every viewer interaction is a chance to build lasting relationships. And every challenge is a chance to develop resilience that serves you throughout your creator journey. What aspect of growing a Bigo Live account excites you most or intimidates you most? Are you planning to focus on a specific niche, or are you still exploring different content directions? Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below, because building a creator community starts with conversations like these. If this deep dive into Bigo Live growth strategies gave you the roadmap you've been searching for, smash that like button and subscribe to Duel of Concepts. After all, the best creators know that learning never stops, and we're here to fuel your journey to the top of the leaderboards.